Hello friends, we have come back again with many shortcuts. I have given you the speed, that means 25 problems in 10 minutes. It means that if we do 20 problems, it will take less than 10 minutes to solve this. This is called Math Magic series. The Math Magic series is unimaginable. If you are not a subscriber of my channel, please do it as early as possible because we are going to do it in too much effective way, extremely shortcut. Now we are going to start right now. Just see what we can do, how much we can do. So here we go. Now see, when a number is multiplied by 16, it is increased by 225. What is the number? Just do it in this way. Increase by multiplier minus 1. That means 225 by 16 minus 1, that is 15. How to find the units digit of the product of the given numbers? Just take the units digit only. Do not multiply the whole number. The full number doesn't need to be multiplied. Just multiply the units digits. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So units digit is only 8, not 1. Now 7 into 3 is 21. 21 units digit is 1. So just multiply their units digit. 8 into 1 is 8. That's it. If a 3-digit number is given and if you are asked to subtract the sum of the digits from the given number, by which number is the difference always divisible? Remember that. In case if you are subtracting the sum of the digits from a 3-digit number, the number are always divisible by 9. Always. Now 456 minus 4 plus 5 plus 6 means 456 minus 15, that is 441. That is divisible by 9. What will be the result of this type of sum? Often comes in SSC, clerical exams, banking, any UPSC, everything. Now this is 5 to the power half, this is 5 to the power 1/4, this is 5 to the power 1/8, this is 5 to the power 1/16, this is 5 to the power 132. It is going to be 5 to the power 31 by 32. Now suppose if one more 5 is increased over here, it will make it 1 by 64. The answer will come 5 to the power 63 by 64. So like this it will go on. Next is sum of two numbers is 12.5 and the difference is 3.5. What is their product? The product is always the sum of these, means sum of the sum and the difference divided by 2 into difference divided by 2. So this one makes it 8 and this is 4.5. 8 into 4.5 is 36. If the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 21. Now we know consecutive odd numbers is 21. Now 21 will be in the middle always. If the average is 21, then 21 is the middle number. What will be the difference between the largest and the smallest number? The shortcut form is 2 into average minus 1. That means 2 into what is the average? How many numbers? Consecutive number 7. So 2 into 7 minus 1, that is 12. And if you are going to do it in this way, means if the middle number is 21, then the number before this is 19, the number before that is 17, the number before that is 15. So that is 15 is the smallest number. Now here 23, 25 and 27. So 27 minus 15 is equal to 12. It's going to take some time, isn't it? This is shortcut. Now next is the difference between the marks of A and B is equal to 60 and the difference between their percentage marks is 30%. Find the total marks in the exam. Marks difference by percentage difference into 100, that is 60 by 30 into 100, that is total marks is 200. So this way, just do it. Next is, if the sum of the number and its square is 182, find the number. Here we do it in this way. 1 plus root over 1 plus 4 into the square. The sum of the number and its square is this, 182. So 1 into 1 plus 4x. X is 182 over here. Minus 1 by 2. That makes it 13. Sum of two numbers is 38 and difference is 4. Find their product. It makes it sum plus difference into sum minus difference by 4. That means 38 plus 4 into 38 minus 4 by 4. That is 21 into 17, that is 357. Ratio of the speeds of 3 cars is 2 into 2 is to 3 is to 4. What will be the ratio of the time taken to travel equal distance? Half into LCM is to 1/3 into LCM is to 1/4 into LCM. Here LCM of these three numbers. LCM is 12. So make it like this. If we put this in this way, then 6 is to 4 is to 3. Find the sum of the cubes of the first 7 natural numbers. Sum of the cubes. If we start doing the cubes, sum of the cubes of 7 natural numbers, 1 is the cube of 1, 8 is the cube of 2, 27 is the cube of 3, 64 is the cube of 4. In this way, 7's cube is 343. We have to add all these. The easiest way is n into n plus 1 by 2 to the power 2. N is 7, means 7 natural numbers. 7 into 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2, its square, that is 784. How many odd and how many even numbers are there in the first 61 natural numbers? So you have to put more stress on this. Odd numbers are 61 plus 1 by 2, that is 31. Even is 61 minus 1 by 2, that is 30. Next is sum of the two numbers is 64 and their difference is 8. Find their ratio. Sum and difference. 64 plus 8 is to 64 minus 8, that is 72 is to 56. You cut this by 2 or make it simpler. That's up to you. Next is how many numbers up to 100 are divisible by 6. So 100, you have to break 100 by 6. So 16 6 are 96. 96 plus 4 makes it 100. That means how many times 6 has gone over here? 16. This is remainder. No need of calculating the remainder. So answer is 16. How many numbers up to 200 are divisible by 3 and 4? 3 and 4, 3 into 4 first make it 12. Same way do it in case of 200. So 12 into 16 is equal to 192 plus 8. So that means again answer is 16. Next one is sum of the squares of two numbers is 90 and the squares of their difference is 46. What is the product of two numbers? If we do it in long cut, it will make it like this. X square plus y square is equal to 90, that is equation number 1. X minus y whole square, that is 46, that is equation number 2. Instead of doing all this is simultaneous equation. Instead of doing all this, you can do it in a simple way. That means 90 minus 46 by 2, that is equal to 22. Next is product of two numbers is 143 and the sum of their squares is 290. Find the sum. Sum is 290 plus 2 into 143, root over. So that makes it root over 576, that is 24. Difference. Find the difference. Difference is 290 minus, instead of plus we have to do minus. So we are getting answer 2. By what number is 3 to the power 20 plus 3 to the power 21 plus 3 to the power 22 plus 3 to the power 23 divisible? Your options are given over here. So we are taking common 3 to the power 20, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. That makes it 3 to the power 20 into 40. So 40 is the answer over here. Difference of the squares of two consecutive numbers is 81. Which is the greatest and the smallest number? The greatest number, to calculate the greatest number, you have to add 1 divided by 2, makes it 41. Smallest is subtract and divide by 2, that is 40. So fast we are doing it over here. So this calculation makes it very easy for you to sit in the entrance exam and crack it just like anything. So all the best to you guys. Thank you so much and have a nice time.